Welcome back to a cloudy afternoon in Thailand. I have an unusual video for you today. It's a channel update. I'm meta discussing this little YouTube channel and the changes that I'm putting in place to make it all better for you, my loyal viewers. So the alert viewers might have noticed that I changed the name of the channel from my boring human name to Mike's Tropical Tech, which is a little bit more descriptive of the kinds of things I do here. It encompasses all my little technology things that I'm playing with and the fact that I'm living in a tropical paradise while I do so. So with the help of my friend Tony, who's a internet marketing expert, I've done things like I updated the name, we've come up with a new channel icon and watermark, a set of prototype template thumbnails, an intro video, an outro video, and trying to make it look like, I'm really putting some effort into this whole YouTube thing. So once you have a look at this, go ahead and let me know in the comments what you think, if I've missed anything, if I've overdone something, if something's glaringly wrong, if something's glaringly stupid. I'm happy to know, and I will take all of your comments in stride. And my short-term goal is to get to that magic 1,000 subscribers where YouTube thinks I'm worthy of, doing all the YouTube things. I'm sitting at 730 subscribers right now, which is very good. I'm happy for all the people who are interested in my content. But here's the weird thing. When I go into the YouTube analytics, which you've probably seen the big YouTubers talk about, I can see that my views of my videos are only 1.5% by my subscribers. That means there's 98.5% of my viewers have not actually subscribed to the channel, which, subscribing is up to you, but if you are into the whole technology thing, then I think I'm probably worthy of a subscription. I'm not overloading you with content. It's pretty highly targeted. But 1.5% is very unusual. I would have thought 20, 30%, something like that. I don't understand 1.5. So go ahead and subscribe. It costs you nothing. Looking at other analytics of my channel, I see that my audience is 100% male for the last month. I want to encourage everyone across the full spectrum of humanity to get involved in the technical parts of life and careers and jobs. I also see that 92.6% of views are 25 to 44 years old. That leaves out a lot of young people who are just getting started and older people like myself who are still learning every day and doing projects either for work or just as a hobby. A little backstory on me. I was 16 years old and I got a job working at a local electronic design company. There were 3 people there, and I started doing circuit board layout on a big piece of glass with light shining through it and rolls of very thin black tape. And I did a bunch of circuit boards that way, and then I started writing code for embedded processor systems that we were designing, culminating in an audio spectrum analyzer that is a 19-inch rack mount unit that bolts into a piece of studio equipment. The other 2 guys designed all the circuitry. I wrote all the software. I designed and laid out the circuit boards, and I designed all the graphics for the front panel. And I'll have a video for that coming up. So this was right in my wheelhouse because I was just discovering the kind of career that I wanted to have. And this gave me the jump start into engineering and computer science that I needed at the time. So the opportunities are there for the diversity of humankind to get involved in technical things and have fun. Also smart dogs too. I had a border collie that was so smart I think she could have done my tax return. Now looking at my most popular videos, you really like my Tesla factory tours, my ThinkPad repairs, and my work with 18650 batteries. Now I don't expect to have another Tesla factory tour in the near future, so I was hoping, almost exactly was supposed to be in Shanghai right now, and I was going to weasel my way into a factory tour there, but I'll postpone that for the future. Now we have Berlin and Austin, and I will make sure that I get to all of those. Now I can only break my ThinkPads every now and then and fix them, so probably not a lot more of those to come. I do have definite plans for new 18650 battery pack designs and battery management system technology, so I'm going to be working on that. But I do have a lot of other content in solar power, electric vehicles, 3D printing, circuit design, circuit boards, embedded software development, and all kinds of other things for you to explore. But I think what's happening is people are finding my videos by using search terms. They're searching for ThinkPad repair or 18650, things that are very easy to search for and view. So that about wraps it up. I'm going to sign off here at the end with one of these end screens and playing with the positioning of videos and playlists and subscribe buttons, and we'll see how all that goes. And I thank you for your subscription if you already are, and I would ask for your subscription if my content interests you. And let's move forward. Thanks. Bye. Hey, if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my other content, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Take care and see you next time.